Yeah. Your daddy? Are you watching your daddy too? Look at me. Go, go, walk. Huh? She wanna... Huh?
She was calling.
She just wanna tell you that you...
You can go over there. You wanna fly? You got wings?
Earlier, she
Flap.
fly.
Fly faster.
Is that
Swimming.
fly? That's swimming.
Flap like a bird.
Fly
Flap,
like
flap,
a bird, bird,
Flap.
bird, bird,
Flap
bird,
your
bird, bird.
Flap. Flap. Those girls are hot.
Look at that. The white car.
Oh my God.
The white car earlier. Big wheels.
Oh.
Look at her.
Yeah, you gotta go in there.
No, we can start here. She can,
Get in the grass.
but we can go there later.
Right. There are shoes in there too?
Yeah, yeah. So loud. The music's too loud.
But never like it.
Me too.
You know what?
Make sure that it's tight.
I don't like it.
You don't like the loud music?
Yeah, cause she don't even earlier because she don't want to sleep.
No, I'm scared.
Just walk, anak, walk. Papa need to work.
It's all dirt.
Daddy need to work.
Alright.
Bye bye na, Dad. Careful, Dad. Careful. Ingat.
Alright, salamat.
Ingat.
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 She said ingat too. What's that? She said ingat too.
Salamat, salamat.
Whoa.
Careful. Hello. Say hi, baby.
Hi.
Just walk. Continue. Huh? There's students.
Yeah.
Where are you going?
Who
Me? I'm wondering why you keep walking and walking. Where are you going?
you?
You're so funny, you know that? Okay. Just walk. Mag-practice siya, guys. Sakit, my love. Sakit, baby. Sakit. Hi, beautiful. Okay. Thursday guys, ay grabe. So nakakapagod. What? Huh? No more? Done na? Okay guys, scooter na naman daw siya guys, scooter. Oh wait, give me a second. Careful, the water. Ah? I see. Where are you? Camera is far. Okay, let's go. So, ladies and gentlemen,
Whoa!
I would like you to.
Wait, chips!
What's that?
Chips!
Where's chips?
Chips!
That's plastic.
Chips!
Plastic.
See chips? I like.
It's garbage.
Yeah.
Come on, let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome. Let's welcome. Are you okay? Are you okay? Ladies and gentlemen, ah? Ladies and gentlemen? No? Okay. Okay, okay now? Ladies and gentlemen. No, ladies and gentlemen? Okay, ready now? Ready? Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome and give her a round of applause. What? No round of applause? Okay. What? Give her what? Ballerina? Agoy. Vampirina. Vampirina? Vampirina o Ballerina? Ballerina. Hi guys! Nandito kami ngayon na naman. Ayan, kami ay maglalaro ng aking mahal na anak. Yes! Maglalaro kami. Ang kanyang suot, meron siyang pants kasi maraming lamok and ayoko makagat ang kanyang balat. Ang kanyang skin, ang kanyang legs. So, diba? So, yan. Kaya naka-pants ang aking mahal na anak, guys. May vampirina? May vampirina. Kasi gusto niya maging ballerina. Gusto niya talaga mag-ballet-ballet. Ayaw ng daddy niya. Pero gusto niya. Pero dito kami ngayon sa labas. Ayan, dito kami ngayon sa harap. Maglalaro kami and mag-scooter kami. Here, yung scooter niya. Yung bike niya ay nasa trunk ng aming car kasi ayaw niyang ipalabas sa aming trunk. Kasi gusto daw niya ipakita yung kanyang bike sa kanyang mahal na kaibigan na kapitbahay namin. Yun lang talaga ang pinaka first and yung kaibigan niya, yung neighbor namin. Tsaka may isa doon. So, ayan, at least kahit paano may kaibigan talaga siyang masabing kaibigan niya talaga since nung bata pa siya. Hindi pa siya marunong magsalita. Ilang months pa lang siya noon. So, kilala na siya noon. Parang atinan niya din. Kaya pag pumunta sa bahay namin, ano siya, kampante siya. Wala siyang ano. Yes? What? Hindi, okay. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome and give her a round of applause. No. Okay. Let's welcome Valerina Daltea. Woohoo! Come on. Come on, this way. Okay, this way.
Oh, Mom. Help me.
What is it?
Mom.
Wait lang. I'm going to... Okay. You're the police and I am the dangerous. Am I the dangerous? Are you ready?
Wait.
You're not ready?
No.
Are you ready?
No.
Hi guys, good morning guys and good evening Philippines. Ay, agay, nahulog. Agay. So, more money. Yeah, we're rich now, anak. We're rich.
Yeah.
We're rich, guys. We have a lot of
Mom,
money.
Pull your purse.
Huh?
No, pull your purse.
No, I don't need. That's your daddy's money.
No, my money.
Yours?
Yeah,
That's your daddy.
my money.
That's your daddy's money, anak. We need that once we're going to buy chips somewhere. You hear me? Only quarter. Go find quarter and give it to me. That's our money. Quarter. Quarter is mine. 1 cent. Okay, Maria Santissima. Daddy will get angry lagi. Hindi na ka. This is our money, guys. How much is that? Marunong na siya na. She know how to count 1 to 10. So we're going home.
No,
What? Our toothbrush, guys.
I'm not going home.
You're what?
I'm not going home.
You're not going home? Your sister's a ponytail. I've got a ponytail. I've got a ponytail. I put it on. I took it out. I gotta put it. Yeah. Wala kong balot to. Ano to? Daddy. Don't put it there. It's dirty. That's your toothbrush. Look. Ah!
In the back.
Okay.
I'm going to there.
Huh?
I'm going there.
No, we're not going to use that card. Go to your chair na daw. Because we're going home na. Go to your chair ka. Go to. So, doon na yung mga naka-ready na guys. Yung ito. Kaya mayroon ako ganito lagi guys. Ganyan. Kasi pag umaga, tulog pa siya.
Mom!
Anak, unsa man na?
Open it.
No baby, that's charger. That's charger. That's charger. Excuse me.
Mom,
Excuse me, what?
what's that?
Go to your chair na ka. Down, pero Yung anak ko, pag sinabi ko kasi na pera, atin yun, atin.
Mom! Mom!
Saan naman eh?
Help me!
Give me a second, be. Where is the other? It's hot, it's hot.
Ang gabiga! I'm losing money on the ground.
No? Put it there, put it there. That's your daddy's money. Stop, stop. Daddy is coming na. Come on, let's go na. Bye-bye na.
Papa.
Go to your chair na. Come on. Come on na, let's go to your chair. Come on, come on. Guys, pauwi na kami.
I'm going home, Dad.
Ha?
I'm going home.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Anak, be? Happy? Happy, my love? Are you okay?
ABCDs.
Aww. Your ABCD again?
I don't have ABCD cup, and I have QRS.
Oh, good job, my love.
Waiting for me.
Hindi, ginaakadot music. Ito hurts. How's my anak? Ah? H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P U-R-S-T-U-V-W-X-Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you with me? Good job, my love. So that's a good thing when she don't have Wi-Fi. That's a good thing when she don't have Wi-Fi. alphabet. I'm going to download more first grade for her tablet. This way she can upload the other games, you know. I mean, some of them they're nice, but they want you to register and pay every month, diba? Hi. I love you. Of course, it's camera. And this is it's our memory. Something you're going to see our videos and you will smile. You know? Yeah. I know you're not watching my videos. You're not watching, I know. Sometime. But most of the time you're not. So someday you can see all my videos and you will realize like, oh, she did a good job, right? Yes guys, my husband is not watching my videos. This is busy, I know. I'm not angry, I understand him. He's working hard to feed us, right?
Call a camera confession.
Yeah, he's working hard, guys, to feed us. Because nobody helping us, right? To pay for all the expenses, debt, and for gas. For gas every day. I know. So I understand my husband. That's why I love him very much, guys. I'm lucky to have him, guys. Right?
You live.
No, I'm not live. Oh, my anak, she's busy. Busy, my love?
Yeah.
Let's see. Look at her finger. Gee. Watching you?
Going so late, we don't even see him anymore.
Who?
Like I was waiting for the bus.
Him?
I said, never go around so late, we don't even see him anymore. Trying to distract me.
No, I'm
Trying to
not.
distract me, then all of a sudden something
That's why I'm
happened.
not talking to you. I'm just watching you.
You know, the way you people drive crazy sometimes.
That's why I'm not talking
Always
to
have to keep
you.
your eyes on the road.
I know, that's why I'm not talking to you and I'm watching you. Just watching you. Is it bad? Most of the time you don't know I'm watching you, you know.
HIHY1.
Ah.
Hi, hi. Hi, hi.
Hi.
I'm looking at the license plate.
I know, I say hi. It's like always hi. Hi, hi. Hiya! So, Sometimes when you're sleeping, I'm watching you and you don't know. And then,
Yeah, I've got things to do
huh?
when you go to sleep.
You know, I'm the one who always sleep last, you know. I'm the last one who sleep. I have to check your anak, you know, your anak. You first, then anak, then sleep, then pray. Look at them.
TV football players.
Yeah. Uy. Look. I'm watching you. Okay guys, yun lang aming video. Thank you very much for watching our videos. Maraming salamat sa pagsuporta ng aming channel.